The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for western Frederick County in north-central Maryland, Washington County in north-central Maryland, northeastern Morgan County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, northern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, eastern Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, until 7:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., the public reported flash flooding as a result of thunderstorms along the line from 8 miles east of Sleepy Creek to Williamsport to Shepherdstown.